Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to do keyword research for your blog posts. Okay, so let's head over to the laptop and show you step by step what I do to get page 1 ranking. If you're new to the channel today, then we post videos about affiliate marketing, blogging, and easy ways to make money online. If any of those things interest you, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, so let's crack on. And as you can see, we've come to a site called KW Finder. Now, this is a keyword research tool, but you can have a free version of it. We're going to be on the free version here. So with the free version, obviously you do get limited amount of data through from them, and you get limited searches. But which I just wanted to show you what it was like on the free version rather than the paid version. Paid version obviously is much better, get much more information, but you can still do this on the free version. Okay, but I have put a link in the description below, and obviously with the disclaimer there, that is an affiliate link. So if you do happen to purchase, then I will get a small commission, which will be at no extra cost to yourselves. Okay, so let's dive right in and show you the steps to take to get your blog posts ranking on page 1. Okay, so the first thing we need is a keyword here. So this would normally be your sort of fairly broad keyword of your niche. So I'm going to actually put in affiliate marketing. We're going to choose anywhere, and we want English on the language. Okay, and then we just click find keywords. Okay, so here we have it. We've come up here, and as you can see, affiliate marketing itself has a massive search volume of 223,000. And this is your CPC, so this is what it would cost if you wanted to put a paid ad up on Google. So to get on the first page, you're looking at $2.34 per click, and obviously you've got here PPC. That this is the figure that would indicate how easy it is to rank for those particular keywords on the paid ads. So 47, this is going to be out from 0 to 100, so nearer to 100 is obviously going to be worse, and obviously this one being 10 is going to be a lot easier to rank for. Okay, we've also got the KD here, which basically is the difficulty of what the keyword is going to be a ranking. So 63 is very difficult. We really want to see the stuff that's in the green, and they're going to be sort of below 30 really. So anything below 30 we can have a look at. So what we're going to do here is we're going to try and see what they've got. So if we double click on the KD, this then reverses the list, so it goes from one to the other. And as you can see here, we've got some various different things coming up, quite a lot in the yellow. These ones that are faded out, these have had calculations done, but they're not up to date, so you might need to click on these and actually get a different reading. But these ones at 26 and 28 are two low scores, so there's a possibility we could rank on those. We've also got good search volume, so we really want to be looking for anything over 200. So this one's obviously at 600, and this one's at 6,100. So that is looking pretty promising. We've also found a couple of good ones here. We've got affiliate marketing books, which is a search of 980, and a KD. The difficulty in the thing is down to 15, so that's even better. So what I've done, we can click on this, and as you can see over here on the right hand side, what it does then, it actually brings up the results from Google. So what we now need to do is go and actually see if there are any websites over here that are ranking low, and as we can see, there's a couple. There's one at 16 and one at 14. So they are fairly low authority sites, and as you can see, we've got the domain authority here, which means doesn't mean an awful lot because that can be just the age of the actual website. But what we're also looking at here is Facebook. This is the number of shares given, and obviously Google does put a lot of weight for their ranking onto social sharing. As you can see, the top 3 have got no shares at all. Okay, now this is the sort of sites we've got to be looking at to know whether we can rank. So if we've got, especially if we've got a fairly new site, as you can see at position 8, we've now got another low one there. There's another low one at 7 and 9 as well. So the chances of actually ranking, if we were to do an article on affiliate marketing books, is pretty good. You know, there's some really low competition here. And also, if you look at things like Quora and Amazon are good signs, because these are just, well, Amazon is obviously just a site which has got listings, so it's not going to be a very good actual article about books. It's also just going to be a listing. So the same with Quora, that tends to be questions, because that's a forum, a question and answer forum. So these are all good signs that we should be able to rank for this particular keyword. So what we now need to do is go and actually see. So we'll just click on one of those, open it in a new tab. We're going to actually have a look at the actual article. So this one is actually 29 best new affiliate marketing books to read in 2020. As you can see, it's literally a breakdown of what is on Amazon. Okay, and it's literally just taken from Amazon, and obviously they've probably got a plugin or something that they can just go and type in and it all just loads automatically. So there's not really anything here that we can't beat. In other words, we can produce better quality article than this. So we can have better images, we can have more information, and we can obviously still link to Amazon if we wanted to, because obviously Amazon is an affiliate network, so we can still link to that. But we could also have books that aren't on Amazon as well, that are elsewhere. So we could just make it a better experience for the reader, because to be frank, this is just a list of books really, which, yeah, okay, that's what you're looking for, but if you can make it a little bit more interesting and user friendly, then you're more likely to rank better. So let's just go and have a look at this one as well. And this one's a little bit different. This is obviously a bit more of a actual review. So this is all about affiliate marketing to begin with. What is affiliate marketing? And then it goes on to say about the different books. So this is slightly different. This is what we were saying. Make it a little bit more interesting, a bit more personal, and not just a listing from Amazon. And there you go. So, but I'm fairly confident that if I took this keyword, then with a good article, because you've got to remember that there are so many other things that Google take into consideration. So you have to write a good article, and you have to add certain things into the article. Make sure you've got the keywords correct, which is obviously what we've got. Have them in your title, in your meta tags, all that sort of thing, which are all going to help to rank on the first page of Google. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a quick run through of this software and how you can actually go and do keyword research for your blog posts and find good long tail keywords that you can then rank for in the search engines and get plenty of traffic. Okay, this is it for this video. If you like the video, then obviously make sure you give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to try out the KEW Finder keyword research tool. I think it's pretty amazing here, and it's so easy to use. And as you can see, you can get some really great information from this. So just head down and click the link in the description below, and you can go and start your free account. Okay, that's it for this video. We will see you on the next one. If you like this video and want to continue your learning, then please subscribe to my channel right now by clicking on me. Just follow the arrow, it's very simple. Don't forget, I also love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Until the next video, take care.